Hello friends, today I would like to share with you the business plan of Abiza Marketing Private Limited. No matter what the document is for direct selling, the company is having all the required legal documents like certificate of incorporation, then the PAN card, then the GST registration certificate, all the legal documents company is having. They are selling few products in their brand name and doing the business. This is not that chain link marketing system. In this direct selling system, if you cannot make someone to join with the given money, at least you will get the product. If you cannot refer someone in direct selling, you can set up a shop and sell the products and earn money. By setting up a shop, you can earn rupees 40 to 50 on each product. If you are joining any company's business plan, it should be a people friendly business plan. People have made big investment in other MLM companies' business plan and lost the money they have invested and lost faith with those companies also. So Abiza company has come up with a small plan of rupees 399 direct selling system. In this you have only two options. Either you set up a shop and sell the product, or if you are finding it difficult, you refer someone. In other companies, business plans are so complicated and people are failing in network marketing. So Abizar has come up with a simplest business plan of rupees 399 and purchase the product for one time. No forceful repurchase and no risk involved. No need to sell the product. Here for 100 rupees business, 25% guaranteed income you can expect. Products sold by this company is also used in our day-to-day life like tea powder, red chili powder, haldi powder, etc. Once you purchase the beginner's kit at rupees 399 of any product listed in their website, additional courier charges of rupees 41, so total for rupees 440 you will receive your beginner's kit at your given address within a week. Company will provide you an ID and password with which you can start your business. Product which you have received is not for sale. Use it for personal usage. Like a celebrity, you just have to do the promotional work. No need to sell or repurchase the product again and again. Next, to start your business, you can create 3 IDs or even 5 IDs. Here you will find 6 types of income sources. One is cashback, the second one is franchisee income, then matching income, then repurchase income, royalty income, and the last one is level income. In cashback income system, if you refer two people left and right, you will get rupees 300 cashback. So by now you have received your product as well as cashback. In matching income per pair left and right, you will earn rupees 100. So you can earn up to rupees 5000 per day in this way of creating more and more pair. In beginner's kit, you can earn up to rupees 600 per day. Rupees 600 capping is there, kept by the company. So you can auto upgrade it to super kit by buying rupees 1600 product to earn rupees 1200 per day, or you can buy rupees 2999 products and earn up to rupees 2400 per day, or buy rupees 4999 product and earn up to rupees 3200 per day, or if you upgrade to rupees 9999 product purchase, you can earn up to rupees 5000 per day. All these upgradations you can do it slowly with the amount you have earned from the company. In level income system, you will earn 2% of the total business you have generated in level 1. Like this way, you will earn percentage income up to 16 levels. So to join immediately, contact me on the numbers provided below in the descriptions. Also, don't forget to click on the subscription button and the bell icon for future update. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.